Now let us understand the string reverse. strrev function is used to reverse a string. The characters from left to right in the original strings are replaced in reverse order here. And the syntax is like this: the strrev, then a string.
Okay, let us consider an a C program to string reverse using the built-in function strrev function here. So in this program, I included the three header files. So in this program, so declaration of this header is a must because I'm going to use the inbuilt function, that is strrev function here. Then I'll declare the variable array string variable, that is s1 of 10 is equal to India. So India is assigned to this variable s1 of 10 here. Then I will perform the string reverse of s1. Okay. Then so this function will perform the, or it will reverse the string and store into the s1. Then I'll print the reverse string is percentages s1 here. So India reverse the string, I'll get AIDNI, right? So compile this, then run this program. So what I need to get? The reverse string is AIDNI here. So reverse string of India is this output here.
Okay, let us understand the string reverse without using the built-in function, that is strrev function here. So in the previous example we have seen how we are going to reverse the string using this inbuilt function. Now we'll understand a C program how we are going to reverse a string without using the built-in function. So first we'll understand what is the logic behind to reverse the string here. Suppose consider the s1 is equal to, the string is what? Hello. Okay, how I am going to reverse this string here? So usually this hello string is stored into the s1 string as what? S1 of 0 is equal to h, s2 of, s1 of 1 is equal to what? E, s1 of 2 is equal to what? L, s1 of 3 is equal to what? L, s1 of 4 is equal to what? Oh, so this is what? So the hello is stored into the s1 string here. Now how we are going to reverse this string here? So first this character. So I need to get the output as what? O L L E H. So this is what? The reverse of this string here. So this output I need to get at the end as what? The reverse of the string is what? OLLEH here. Now how we are going to reverse this string here? So I'll consider this last character. So I'll take another array of a string, that is s2. Okay, so what I will do, the last element is copied into this first element of string 2 here. So string 2 of 0 is equal to O. Then the last but one is stored into the next string, that is next location, s2 of 1 is equal to L. Then same wise s2 of 2 is equal to L. Then s2 of 3 is equal to E. Then this string is s2 of 4 is equal to what? H here. So at finally what I will do, I'll print this s2 string to get the string reverse here. So this is what the logic behind reversing the string here. Now let us understand a C program how we are going to reverse the string without using the inbuilt function here, right? So two strings I'll declare here, s1 and s2 here. Okay, then three variables I'll declare as I, k, x. Okay, so later we'll see what is the usage of these variables here. Then printf enter the string. Okay, so the first string I'll read, that is s1. So s1, so that is hello, I'll read. So this hello, and this hello is stored into this locations of s1 here, right? Next, Now what I will do, I will find out the length of the string 1. Okay. So using the built-in function, that is strlen of s1. So here what it will do, it will find out the length of the string 1 here. Okay, and store the value into the k here. So what is the length of the string 1 here? So that is HELLO, that is 5 here, right? So k is equal to 5 now. So the string length of s1 is 5. Now what is the value of 5? That is k is equal to 5. Okay. Now using the for loop, what I will do, for I is equal to 0, initialize I is equal to 0, I is less than k. Okay. So what is the value of k here? So that is 5. So 0 is less than 5. Yes, the condition is satisfied here. Now what it does? S2 of 0 is equal to S1 of k minus I minus 1. What is the value of k? That is 5. 5 minus I. What is the value of I? That is 0. 5 minus 0 minus 1. Right? So that is what? 4 here. 5 minus 0 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. S1 of 4. So I'll get this location here. Right? So this S1 of 4 has to be copied into the S2 of 0 here. Right? In this logic. So S2 of 0 is equal to S1 of 4 here. So what is the value of S1 4? That is O. So O is copied into the S2 of 0 here. So it is copied into the first location of S2 here. Okay. Now increment the value of I here. So I value is what? 1 here. 1 is less than 5. Yes, the condition is satisfied. Then S2 of 1 is equal to S1 of k minus I. What is the value of I? 1. 5 minus 1 minus 1. I'll get what? 3 here. So this location I will get. So this is copied into the S2 of 1 here. Okay. Now increment the value of I is equal to 2. So S2 of 2 is equal to S1 of k minus, that is 5 minus 2 minus 1. So 5 minus 3. I'll get was this location S1 of 2 here. So S1 of 2 is copied into the S2 of 2 here, that is L here. Right? So likewise, I am going to find out the next location, then copy into this location, then S1 of 0, H is copied into the last location of this here. Right? When I becomes 5, okay, so incrementing the value of I, when I becomes 5, 5 is less than 5. So the condition becomes false here. So that time it will come out from this loop and print this message as what? Reverse string is percentages ES2. So what is the value of S2 here? That is the reverse OLLEH. So it will print the value of S2 here. Okay. So this is what? Printing the string into the reverse order. Okay. Now we will consider to check whether that string is a palindrome or not. Okay. So what is meant by palindrome here? You suppose consider I am getting the reverse string as the original string here. If both are same. So after performing the reversing of a string, if I get the same string, so that type of a string is called as what? The palindrome string here. For example, consider this string, that is Gadag. Okay. So if I reverse this string, what I will get? So I'll get G A D A G. Right? Both strings are same here. So the original string is Gadag. After performing the reverse the string, then I am getting the original string itself. So this type of string are called as a palindrome string here. Another example, if I consider this string called Malayalam. Okay. So reverse this string, what I will get? I'll get as what? M A L A Y A L A M. I am getting the same string, right? So the original string is Malayalam. After performing the reverse of the string, I am getting the same string here. So this type of a string is called as a what? The palindrome string here. Okay. So this one also I will check like this. So x is equal to string compare. So I will compare the two string. So what is the string 1? That is hello here in this example. Then the string 2 is reverse of this hello here. Right? So I will compare the two strings. If two strings are equal, okay, so if x is equal to 0, right, so in a string compare we have seen if two strings are equal, then this function will return 0, otherwise it will return the non-zero here. So if this function returns 0, so that value is stored into the x here, indicating that the two strings are equal here. So in this case the two strings are not equal here, right? So it won't return 0 to this x value here, right? So if x is equal to 0, it will print the string is palindrome, else the string is not palindrome. In this case, so the string is not in a palindrome here. So after reversing, I am not getting the original string here. So hence the string is not in a palindrome. I'll get the message as what? The string is not palindrome here. But if I consider in this case thus, okay, if I reverse this string, I'm getting the original string here. So that time the string is a palindrome. So the same case in the Malayalam here. Getting my point? So these type of strings are called as the what? The palindrome strings here. So this is what we have understood the C program to convert the string into the reverse order, as well as we are checking whether that string is a palindrome or not. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.